Okay, product number 14. I am literally blown away by this, guys. Product number 14 is the Ultimate Pen Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. That is very exciting. Okay, so product number 15 is officially the end of the top row. This is the Gentle Lip Scrub. This is the Gentle Lip Scrub. It's like a nice rosy color. So this is like an exfoliating treatment. So I'm going to shut the top here, and now we are going into the pull-out drawer. This is crazy. Number 16. Like, this is a really good quality kit. Glittery mascara. Look how huge this is. It's a gold glitter mascara, guys. Product number 17 is one of the Brilliant Snow Kissed Holiday 3D Hydra Lip Gloss Limited Edition. I really like how they write on the packaging. That's the lip gloss right there. It's opalescent. I like how they write everything on the packaging for you. Like limited edition, what collection. I like that. Product number 18. I'm still waiting for a bronzer. Oh my god. Snow Kissed Holiday Cuddle Hand Cream. So the packaging for these items you can see is like opalescent packaging. When I lifted this, it came out the top. Just lifts up and then it squirts out. Got it. Okay. So don't lift that up unless you're ready for product to come out. Got it. Okay, number 19. This is huge. This is the Snow Kissed Holiday Lip and Cheek pH stick. Whoa! Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. I'm trying to rush just because I know this video is going to be so long. Product number 20. Velvet Passion Matte Lipstick. That's a gorgeous deep shade. Number 21. Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Huge. Huge. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I couldn't find when I was looking like what the actual value is. Day number 22, but it's definitely over $150, that's for sure. Snow Kissed Holiday Slim Stroke Micro Eyeliner and Kajal. So this is a teeny tiny fine black eyeliner. 23. Come out. Ooh, this is the Holiday Sparkle Crush Liquid Lipstick in a beautiful glittery sepia color. Might only be 24 days. Again, packaging, tissue paper, sticker. Look at the snowflake detailing and texture on the packaging. That's nuts. Mountain Twins eyeshadow. Guys, oh, ooh, pretty. Most brands for their advent calendars just put like, this is gorgeous. Just put, most brands just put cheap tester type stuff in their advent calendars. They put lots of time and money and effort into making this special. Yeah, on the bottom of the kit, I think it actually says what's in everything. Yep, it only goes up to number 24. If you made it to this point, oh, I gotta get this stuff off my swatches are getting in my hair. If you made it to this point in the video, comment Crazy Christmas in the comments below and let me know if you think that you will be splurging on this advent calendar. Whoa, definitely worth the money.